I need your tag. Let me see your tag, man. I don't trust you. Okay.
It's the end of day 2. Don't make fun of me, okay? Yes.
Just got done taking your makeup off.
Yes, I got done taking my makeup off because I forgot to record this part until I was actually rubbing my face and I was like, oh no.
Well, you saw her with her makeup off the other day, so
yes.
here we are.
So thanks for joining us again on day 2 of OnStage here in Raleigh, North Carolina. What did you think? It looked like we had a lot of fun, didn't it?
Oh my goodness.
It was a lot of fun.
It was. It always is.
Yeah. So we've got one more day. Tomorrow they're going to do prize patrols because they haven't done prize patrols yet. And so we're excited for that. We've got some product from the after hours that we're really excited about that we're going to share on social media.
Can't wait to share you guys. It's so cute.
Yes, so make sure you're following us over on either Instagram or on Facebook. You can find the link below. But we will see you in tomorrow's video and last day of OnStage. Oh my God.
It went by fast.
See you there.
Bye.